Hey guys, Junior back here with another video. So guys, today I want to show you how we can be able to apply moving average on our MT4 charts and how to trade moving averages. So the first thing, what is moving average? Moving average is just basically an indicator that smoothens out price action. So it just helps us to smoothen out price action. So if you're someone who has trouble with price action and all that, subscribe to the channel and then let's get started, guys. So the first thing what you want to do is we first want to apply moving average. So what we want to do is just tap in anywhere on this screen, tap in like this, then choose indicators, this, and then choose main window. Then on the main window we shall have all these are all the indicators. Then what we want is just moving average. This, we tap moving average, then these are its settings. So each indicator has settings, so we have to set up the settings. So these are the defaults. So what I want to do on the first here, it's period, so I want to choose this to 14. Then I want to choose this shift, I will leave it on 0. Then method, we have exponential moving average. So we have here simple moving average, you have exponential moving average, smoothened moving average, and linear weighted moving average. So what we want is just to choose exponential moving average, this one. The reason why is because exponential moving average reacts faster to price action or to price changes. Simple moving average and exponential moving average are the same, but exponential moving average reacts fast to price changes. So you come here to the green color, we'll choose this to blue, like that. Then we also have pixels. We have 1 pixel, 2 pixels. So these pixels are just basically how big your moving average will be. So I'll choose 4 because I want my moving average to be seen properly, so for better results. So I'll press done and done that. So you see, this is my fast moving average. As you can see, it's very beautiful. So what we want to do is apply the second moving average. I'll still tap anywhere on the screen like this. I'll tap anywhere on the screen, then come back here to the main window, tap this, then choose moving average like this. Then again we have settings, so I'll choose this 50. So I want this to be my 50 moving average. Then shift, I'll leave it to 0. Then method, I'll still choose exponential moving average because it tracks fast to price changes. Then I'll apply to only close. Then levels, don't tap this. Then when it comes to style, we're going to make this color green like that. Then pixels, still we shall choose 4 pixels like that. Then press save and done like this. So these are our 2 moving averages, as you can see. So guys, this is how we apply moving average on the MT4. So how do we trade them? So basically most people say when they cross, you do this. So I'll first tell you how we trade them. So basically, moving averages, the first thing, they show us direction of the market. As you can see, when market is in an uptrend, it's trending above the 14 EMA. I mean exponential moving average. So you see, when it's above, market trends above the 14 EMA. The blue one is the 14 EMA. But if market is in a downtrend, you can see market trends or goes down, but as it's going down, it's below the 14 EMA like this. So this is how you know this is a downtrend, when price is on your 14 EMA but below. Then this is for the uptrend. Here it's above. So basically, how do you trade moving averages? Basically, whenever, this is the simplest way, whenever moving averages cross, whereas we have change in trend depending on what trend have you been on. If you have been on an uptrend, market will change and go to the upside. If you have been in downtrend, market will change and go to the upside. So let me show an example. You see here, market the 14 EMA and 50 EMA crossed and market went to the uptrend. Then here also we have something here, market changed and went to the downtrend. Same here, anywhere, as you see guys, here market changes whenever the EMA is crossed. Same to that. So let me give you an example how we would trade them. Let's say this, how would we catch this? So the first thing, I would know, okay, this is a downtrend, this is a small downtrend. Then you have market forming this small structure here. We have market forming small structure. So this right here is a lower low, this is a lower high. Then this is a new lower low, and this is a new lower high. And market now forms a new high here, and then forms a new, no, it forms a new high low, then forms a new high up here. So meaning this is changing trend. Then again, market forms another, it forms a new lower high and goes up here, forms a new high up here. So how would I know that this is going to be a reversal? So first of all, when you see these EMAs trending like this, when they cross, definitely the market is going to go up, but you would get confirmation from here. As I've told you, here we had lower lows, then here lower high low, then a new high. So this zone was broken and we had a new structure coming. And even here we have a double top. So this would be our neckline. So let's draw the line. This would be our neckline around here. So this would be our neckline, as you can even see here. When market broke our neckline, we would take trade, but we always want to take trades when we are sure of after the market retests. So market goes up there, as you can see, market goes up here, then comes back and retests this level. That's the same level where the 14 EMA crossed the 50 EMA, or the 14 moving average crossed the 50 moving average, guys. And you can see we had the smooth uptrend to the upper side, the smooth uptrend. You can even see here the smooth uptrend up there, you can see, guys. But after confirmation, you don't just see, okay, the EMAs, of course, you have to first confirm from all this. I can show you something else here. You see right here, we have a small triangle right here. If you draw out this triangle, this from here to here, here to there, you would have a triangle there. Then when price of the EMA, the 14 EMA and 50 EMA cross, then price changes and goes down. Like literally wherever this price changes, whenever the 14 EMA crosses the 50 EMA, we have a structure there. We have a structure, you can see, we have a small structure there. So guys, that's how we that's like the simplest way to use the moving average, and that's how we can apply moving average on our MT4 or on our MetaTrader 4. And this is the same way you can apply your moving average on your MT5. But more videos are coming in, guys. So let me give you another example. So this is a trade I took yesterday. As you can see, guys, we had a small structure here. This was a major structure. You see this here. This right here was a major structure. So we had market forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. That's why this is a higher high right here. Then we had market now forming lower lows and lower highs. You see. Then my neckline would be here. This would be like a head and shoulder pattern, but it's not a clear one. But I would have my neckline right here, and that's where market the EMA changed. The 14 EMA crossed the 50 EMA, and you can see definitely I placed a sell trade just here. See this here? This is a sell trade right here when they crossed, and I had a drop up to the downside. I closed some profits and left these profits still running. Yeah, so I still believe this market will come to this supply zone here, then go back down, guys. So that's how we trade the moving averages, and that's how we apply it on our MT4 charts, guys. Guys, remember to stay tuned, subscribe. For guys that are watching without subscribing, make sure to subscribe, guys, as we are trading the Forex market. See this demand zone, guys. See you in my next video.